This short tutorial is going to show you how to make an enter-exit ticket with a one-question poll in Google Forms. The first thing you want to do is go to your Drive, and you're going to click New and choose a Google form. From here, you'll just name whatever your exit ticket is, and then typically you're going to choose a multiple choice. So you can see this one's on multiple choice. You can switch it here if it's on something different. Then you're going to ask your question. Next, we just put in the options and continue to add as many as you need. Now, if you want to check to see what it looks like, there's this little eyeball up here, which is your preview. When I click on it, it just opens up the form, and this is what the students would see. But you don't have to be done here. If you want, you can add some visual representation as well. So if I go under Excited, notice there's a little icon here that says Add Image. When I click on there, I get all these options of how I want to upload everything, if I have the pictures, etc. What I often do is, I'll do by URL, which just means I'm going to open up a new tab, and I'll put in whatever it is I'm looking for. And then I can just click on whatever picture I want. And the best way to do it is just go over the image, do a right click, and you're going to copy the image address. Then when I go back to my form, I make sure it's on URL, and I simply just paste that picture in there and hit Insert Image. And there it goes, and resizes it everything for you perfectly. So all you're going to do is fill out the rest of the images. And then let's see what that looks like in the preview form. So there it is. This is your one question enter exit ticket. Next, to get on to whatever platform you're using, go click back to your form. You're going to go click the send button, and then you're going to click the link button here. Now what I recommend is just click the shorten URL, just so you have a nice clean copy, and you're going to click copy. So the next part is, where are you going to place this? Well, if I go into a Google Classroom, if I wanted to, I can click create, and notice I could do a quiz assignment, which actually is just a Google form right from here. But if I'm just making an assignment too, I can easily just go in and click the add button, click my Google Drive, and you'll notice that form is right here as well. So I can click it and hit insert. It goes in that way. Or if I have the link to, remember you can just click the add button here again, and you can just put that link in. So you have multiple options to get that link wherever you want. This will work for D2L. This will work to email that link out, however you want to put on a platform. Finally, let's see what that looks like on the student end and getting the feedback. We're just not asking the question for the sake of a question. We actually want to get some feedback out of this. So if a student went in, and I'll just use Google Classroom to show you, they go in, they answer the question, and they hit submit. The whole reason why we're doing this is to get a quick check of the classroom. I'm going to go back to my original form, and I've kind of preloaded a bunch of these here, but you can see I have 12 responses. When I click on responses, because they're multiple choice, it's going to give me a quick little graph snapshot about how the class is doing. Because remember, I'm not going for summative feedback. This is just a quick check to see, all right, so most people are happy. I got a couple hungry people, excited, and I have a few sleepyheads in there too. So this is a nice way to do that quick exit ticket. Imagine if this was math. You could check for understanding, if they really get it, need some help, want to request something else. This nice little graph kind of shows that, and then you can dive into it a little bit more. So that's the whole purpose of doing a quick enter exit ticket using a Google form.